Well, it's Wednesday the 17th of December and it's quite dark. The sky's dark. You can't pick it up on this camera because this camera basically makes everything brighter than what it is. I put a little bit of food in for the fish because the temperature's just on 8 today, but it's very windy and it is raining again. Very windy indeed. I don't know what you can see. No, you can't see because it makes everything light. But it's 1 p.m. and the sky is really very, very black. Can't see the fish because the fish at the very bottom. And I've just done a water test. Ammonia, nitrate, nitrite and pH are all spot on, and the TDS is 40, so the water is 100% good. Still got the sick fish in there, but for the last couple of days I've been treating the water. I can't take the fish out of the water because I don't have a quarantine tank, and it's so cold anyway that I think the fish would suffer by taking it out. But what I have been doing is putting aquaflavin in. Now I haven't been putting it into my pond, I've been putting it in my filter. So I've been putting it into my filters. And basically just from a watering can, just putting it straight in. I've just been leaving that to go through the system and go into the pond. It's now getting very cold. Temperature's dropping. And I see they're starting to come through. I've done it this way because I want it to kill any bacteria, bad bacteria that's in the pond or in the filters. Oh. Yeah, the temperature's dropping. Just these last few moments I've been out, the temperature's dropped way down. So let's have a look where it is now. It's 6.9 now, so it's dropped quite a lot in the last few minutes. The wind's very strong. And good job I got the covers on because it stops all the, you see the trees there. Sky looks quite nice on the camera, but it is in fact black. Those clouds there are black, although the camera doesn't pick them up as black. So everything is okay with the pond water, and you can see now it's starting to come through into the pond. So there's no problem with the pond water quality, and it's just that one fish that is sick. But by taking it out, the change of temperature and then putting it back into the pond after a salt bath, I think would basically be more harm to it than leaving it in the pond and just medicating the pond itself. Aquaflavin is what I've used today, which is one that I like. I found it's quite good and it seems to treat a lot of problems in the pond. Oh, yes, it is windy. Okay, so we'll leave it there for today. and subscribe if you can, and I'll be doing my solar panels as soon as the weather is a little bit better and the wind is gone. Take care.